Sunday morning and I'm just a little late getting out there with the food. Hopefully they can wait 5 more minutes. Can you wait just a few more? Slady, I'm working on it.
Nowhere near quick enough for me.
Hi. Well, thankfully Tux did not come down off his spot. And all is good. Yes, I know you're hungry. Let's go feed you and Morris. Let's go feed you. If you'll run ahead, I can walk quicker. You walk underneath my feet, not so much. It's 35 with a gentle mist. I'm not going to complain about our weather because I know the rest of the country is in a bad way. I think we have rain or clouds with a chance of rain every day in the 5-day. And that's just, it's February. That's right. Yeah, it's supposed to be doing this in February. Of course, a couple of snowflakes here would be nice, but you know, we're about over potential snowflake weather.
I put my red on for my girl. Happy Valentine, sweetheart.
Thank you, Donnie. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. I have on my matching twin red shirt this morning as well. It's one of my warmer shirts and it certainly is called for today. Now, I heard them say Tuesday we're going to probably hit 60 degrees, but it's like a one-day thing again, like another one-day vacation from winter. We'll see. It is misty here right now, but it's not raining, so I'm getting a little wet. Not tons wet. I want to walk with the kitties. They miss me. When we came in from playing Pogo last night, I recorded a video clip and that was the backup camera and it malfunctioned, so it wasn't in the video. The very last clip of the day when we got back home was gone. But anyway, there were Legos in the mailbox. I was very pleased. There were Legos in the mailbox.
Happy for Valentine's.
Yeah, well, during COVID, Legos are, you know. Come on, Tux, I'm going for a walk. Come on, Slate. Oh, I'll get him. I may have to ask one more time this morning, though. Come on, buddy, let's go. Let's go for a walk. That's my good boy. I knew I could count on you. Here at our house, we embrace the moss. He does not care at all that his coat's a little bit wet on the outside. Of course, you know that never really soaks through unless it's pouring. And I may take one of the car towels and just wipe him off, but he's all boy, he don't care. The girls didn't come this morning. They're hiding from him in the garage. He chased them. And unfortunately, I won't be able to sit on my stairs for a minute this morning. Yes, Tux, please don't trip me. He goes, I like to scratch my whiskers here, Mom. At the halfway point, I like to scratch my whiskers. I was looking out the window this morning and I do plan to trim this butterfly bush a little bit in March, early March. So just a couple weeks, and then I need to get out here and cut the canna lilies off at the ground before they start growing again for the year. But not today, not 35 and misty. But I do have a couple more tasks to do. I want to get in there and get Dawn to pull a few more things on this side of the bank, and also maybe a little bit with the weed eater up by where Morris and Stripe are. Now that we got the trash gone, I want to make sure everything is low to the ground up there, and I keep it that way to help with me not getting poison ivy. Safety. He will go in there, but he doesn't jump high. He's fast. He's faster than you'd think he is, but he doesn't jump high. So the girls just go up on something and they feel that's pretty safe. He kind of treats it like a safe spot too. He doesn't really, when they go through the door, okay, I'm satisfied. I chased them. We're good. Happy Valentine's Day, Donnie, again.
I made you a card.
Donnie makes me a card every year. It's really special when a guy will do that for a girl, I think. Yep. It says, kitten, you win. Oh, and hearts. How did you come up with that? My heart every time. I win your heart every time. Love, Donnie. Open it back up. Oh, he does make the best cards. I still have a couple of them over in the curio cabinet because they're all handmade and usually require extra effort than yeah, thank you, Donnie.
You're welcome. I love you.
He complained last night that I may not have gone shopping in a window when he wasn't working that allowed him to work his usual magic. So he was really a little rushed on this one.
I admit I'm not one of those guys that do it 6 weeks in advance. I usually do it the day before, the day before that, you know, 1 or 2 days. And this working so much. Plus the weather was really
right. It kept me in more.
Right. It kept her in, so I didn't have the normal. I could easily sneak around and do it.
Right, and here's the rest of the goodies. There's a little, when we watch Battlestar Galactica, we're on episode 3 of the mini-series of the new Battlestar. We understand NBC, Peacock, they're rebooting it. Like, you know, CBS All Access has Discovery and Picard. Well, NBC's going to have a reboot of Battlestar Galactica. It'll be the second reboot, right? We wanted to watch the original with Lauren Green, and we couldn't find it. Maybe Michelle has the DVDs, and I should ask to borrow. But anyway, this one is for Johnny. He loves caramel. It's his favorite thing next to, like, he likes hard candy, but sweet hard candy, not like sour stuff. Anyway, caramel dripping out, that's Johnny's, and Don will certainly like the almond butter, and then we've got the peanut cups. I don't know that we'll open this today, but we've got a couple of truffles too. So anyway, you can open your card. I went for the one card's not good enough approach at Guardian Angel. You know, your girl Donnie would be so mad at me if I spent $5 or $7 on a card. So with whatever Guardian Angel has, that's good, you know, that's good. Yep.
Oh, look at the bunny rabbits. This is the cute girl. She's got a necklace and the guy's got a bow tie.
Yeah, it says when we're together.
It's magic for sure. I love it, Mary. That's very cute.
I thought that was very cute. Very nice. Yeah, but it's a real Hallmark card too. Yep, from your thrifty girl.
That's right.
This one is a little off color, maybe.
Oh, look at the, okay, no Valentine could ever express the way I really feel about you.
That's right. Well, for sure, you can't put those.
You're right. However, I did use a lot of
tongue licking the envelope.
Yeah, that's right. Love your kid, Mary. That's great.
Well, there's no way there's any card that could accurately tell you how I feel about you, Donnie.
That's right. I totally agree.
There's one more.
Oh, there's one. I thought one of these was for Johnny. I just
no. Yeah, like Johnny with kids don't care about cards. This is the serious one.
Okay. Today, tomorrow, and always. I love you. I love you too. I would give you the world if I could. Instead, I will give you all that is mine to give. My hopes, my dreams, my love. Always my love. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, Mary.
Yeah, I told you that was the serious one. I give you everything, Donnie.
Right, she does.
So we hope you're having a good Valentine's Day.
We certainly are.
Don from time to time has brought me a single-stemmed rose, but I prefer more real plants in the ground than the digging that goes with them. And plus, when we have flowers in the house, the big black cat, Midnight, he really likes them. Right. So it's just sort of like, probably not a good idea. We have to put them up on top of the curio cabinet, and then, so... Yeah, it's probably not the thing I need.
Yeah, well, like I said, if I, was out and about and doing a thing, I would have got you, but it's just this.
I like helium balloons.
Yes, I know. I would have got you a balloon.
So I did get the floor built for the second floor for the mineral shop. And I have started on the walls, and I'm starting on the interior. It's kind of interesting. They have these like little 5 computer stations up here. But there's going to be some intricate archwork. And anyway, it's going on 2:30, and this is what I've been working on. Johnny and I have been doing some weekend cleaning. Got his room all tidied up, and cat water bowls mostly. We got 3 fountains, and all 3 of them are in the hutch. Johnny's gonna go see them, and I'm gonna go see the boys up the hill. We're out here both getting wet with our head covered at least though. Right now I basically don't think it's ever gonna stop raining. I know some of you have other troubles. You've got ice, you've got snow, you've got wind. But you guys know that I'm outside a lot taking care of the kitties, and you know, let me just say that I think we can all agree this is getting old. Yeah, really old. I'm headed out to spin the Pokestops and then come back and start dinner. I'm sorry we're not doing anything too exciting today, but you know, it's a real struggle to even go outside to do what we need to do, let alone do much of anything else. I will have to go up the hill one more time today. I can't leave the food near the cats after dark because the raccoons and possums and other critters will be out and about, and that's just not safe. So one more time up the hill in the rain tonight. I think maybe we're gonna get a little reprieve tomorrow, but let's go pour Tuesday. I mean, really, and I think tomorrow's just gonna be clouds and a little rain, just not a lot of rain maybe. I don't know, but we're starting off the year above average again. You might remember last year we had 6 inches above average, and I much prefer wet to drought. I don't like drought years at all, but wouldn't mind drying out for just a couple days, just a couple. Wow, I took a little video this morning, but it wasn't booking that fast then. Goodness. I've been meaning to get video or picture of this house over here. And since it's Valentine's Day, it seems totally appropriate to do it today. They have a heart wreath on every window and garland and lights, and it's very pretty. There's a new Pokemon Go Valentine's Day collection challenge and all this other stuff to do, so I made a good pass at getting started with it, but I've been gone a little over 30 minutes and I'm hungry, and I'm sure Dawn's hungry, and I'm back home now. There wasn't anything to show you. There was no one at South Park. And, you know, who wants to look at ugly weather? I'd rather share big, beautiful blue skies. I would if I could. Just careful coming up here. Shouldn't be any kitties there in the rain, but you know I gotta go slow and look and all that good safety stuff. Don and I are starting off with scallops in a spicy butter sauce.